everyone, I am Rishabh Ghosh of Class 8 and today I will take you to a beautiful place in India named as Ladakh. Ladakh, situated amidst the Great Himalayas and the Karakura ranges in the scenic state of Jammu and Kashmir, is one of the most spectacular places in the world, where scores of tourists from across the globe throng annually, emblems of pure paradisical beauty. Ladakh is all about awe-inspiring landscapes, picturesque grown oases, skin-tickling landscapes, and quaint hamlets. You are taken in by the breathtaking beauty the moment you land in this incredible town. Get mesmerized by the amazingly pristine blue sky and transported to a world of complete solitude, admiring the mountain flowers, the snow covered mountain peaks, the streams flowing by, and the deep valleys, monks in maroon robes, men trailing behind the herd of sheep, and the lilting mountain music are some of the common sights and sounds of Ladakh. So I hope the next time when you will go to travel, I'm sure you will visit Ladakh. Thank you.